Hello kids, welcome to yammukidstv. Happy face, smiley, pink color, green, yellow color, orange, red color, sky blue, blue color. Okay kids, princess drawing. First, yellow color. Which color? Yellow. Yellow color. Then red color. Which color? Red color dots. Then pink color. Pink colors. Flowers. Which color? Pink color. Then green. Dark green. Dark green. Dark color green. Then orange. Orange color. Then blue color. Which color? Blue. Super. Then lavender. Lavender color. Which color? Lavender. Super coloring lavender. Super. Finish the color. Then again golden. Golden coloring. Super coloring. Golden. Super. Super coloring. Then pink color. Princess hair coloring. Light pink. Which color? Light pink. Pencil coloring. Which color? Light pink. Pencil coloring. Super. Which color kids? Light pink. Super. Light pink color pencil. Super. Pencil coloring. Super coloring. Hair coloring. Super. Pink color pencil coloring. Then coloring. Brown and yellow. Skin color. Brown and yellow. Yellow color. Yellow, brown and yellow mixing. Brown shade first, then yellow shade second. Super mild brown shade. Brown shade and then yellow shade. Then yellow shade. And yellow shade. Color, white, yellow, shade, and finally color, coloring, princess, skin coloring, skin color, dark and husky skin color, pencil coloring. Okay kids, please subscribe my channel kids, please subscribe. Bye.